In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use Docusign Powerforms, updated for 2023. This powerful feature in Docusign allows you to streamline your signature processes and manage digital agreements more efficiently than ever. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be familiar with the steps needed to create and utilize Powerforms, making your document management seamless and hassle-free. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to begin by visiting the Docusign website, which is a leading platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Docusign homepage. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you will see a Login button. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. After logging into your account, you will be directed to the Docusign home. Here you'll find all the tools you need for managing your documents effectively. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this dashboard, as it's the main hub for all your activities within Docusign. Next, locate the section labeled Agreements. You should be able to spot it easily on the dashboard menu. Clicking on Agreements allows you to access all your saved contracts and forms. Think of this as your digital filing cabinet, where everything you need is stored neatly and securely. Now we're going to navigate to Powerforms. Powerforms are essentially a reusable form template, and they're perfect for situations where you need a document signed often, but with different data each time. To access Powerforms, find and click on the option labeled Powerforms on the menu. This section is specifically dedicated to the creation and management of these powerful templates. Inside the Powerforms page, you might encounter an option to upgrade. This button is crucial because certain features in Docusign require a specific plan level for full access and functionality. If the upgrade is necessary, you will be prompted to complete this step. Following through with the upgrade will unlock enhanced capabilities, allowing you to make the most out of Powerforms for your business needs. As we wrap up, let's recap what we've covered. We navigated to Docusign's website, logged into the platform, explored the home dashboard, and accessed the Agreements and Powerforms sections. By following these steps, you are now capable of streamlining your document management process, ensuring efficiency and security in handling your digital agreements. Remember, the ability to use Powerforms can significantly reduce repetitive tasks and improve turnaround times on crucial documents. That's all for today's guide on how to create and use Docusign Powerforms in 2023. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to help out. Thank you for tuning in, and happy signing!